Have you ever wondered what makes you you? Why you have your dad's eyes or your mom's smile? The secret lies in a tiny, powerful molecule hiding inside almost every cell in your body. It's called DNA, and it's the blueprint of life. Imagine an enormous library filled with countless books. Each book contains detailed instructions for building and running a city. Now imagine this entire library is shrunk down and tucked inside a space smaller than a grain of sand. That's essentially what DNA is for your body. It's the ultimate instruction manual, and today we're going to explore its incredible secrets. So what does DNA actually look like? The most famous image of DNA is the double helix. Picture a twisted ladder. The two long sides of the ladder are called the backbones, and the rungs connecting them are what hold all the important information. Here's the really clever part. A always pairs with T, and G always pairs with C. If you were to stretch out the DNA from just one of your cells, it would be about 2 meters long. Mind-blowing, right? These sequences of A, T, G, and C are organized into sections called genes. Think of a gene as a single recipe in our giant cookbook. One gene might have the recipe for making the protein that determines your eye color. Another gene might hold the instructions for building the enzymes that help you digest your food, and another might be responsible for your hair type, whether it's curly, straight, or somewhere in between. Each three-letter word tells the ribosome which specific ingredient to add to the chain it is building. These ingredients are amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. As the ribosome moves along the mRNA, it links these amino acids together in the correct order, like stringing beads on a necklace. Once it reaches the end of the message, the completed chain of amino acids folds up into a complex three-dimensional shape. And voila! A protein is born. This process from mRNA to protein is called translation. These proteins are the real workhorses of the cell. They do everything. Some, like keratin, form structures like our hair and nails. Others, like hemoglobin, transport oxygen in our blood. And many others act as enzymes, speeding up all the chemical reactions necessary to keep us alive. It's an incredibly elegant and efficient system, from a simple four-letter code to the complex machinery of life. Think about it. You started as a single cell, and now you're made of trillions of them. Each one needed a complete and accurate copy of your DNA. This process is called DNA replication. but occasionally a mutation can change the instructions for a protein, causing it to work differently or not at all. The study of DNA has completely revolutionized our world. In medicine, understanding our genome allows us to diagnose genetic diseases, develop targeted therapies, and even create personalized medicine tailored to an individual's unique genetic makeup. The mRNA technology we just talked about is the basis for some of the most advanced vaccines ever created. It's also changed our understanding of history by analyzing the DNA of ancient remains and modern populations. Scientists can trace human migration patterns and piece together the story of our ancestors. It's the thread that ties the entire living world together. So the next time you look in the mirror, remember that intricate 2-meter long molecule coiled up inside each of your trillions of cells. It's your personal instruction manual, your connection to your ancestors, and the universal code of life itself. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of DNA. If you found this as fascinating as we do, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next deep dive into the wonders of science. See you next time.